In this tutorial, I'm going to make this environment. If you're a bit curious about how it made or something about those assets or informations, please watch this video. Okay, here's the mainly used assets. Trees and rocks prefabs are from Winter Environment Nature Pack developed by R.A.M, and also background mountains are from this package. Also some grass from Meadow Environment Dynamic Nature and river oat material from NatureManufacture. Here's the list of used assets. I think you don't need them all, but I happen to have them because I purchased some of them from Unity Winter Sale, so at least I can make some video. And this is the softwares which I used to make my character. He is not pretty, but I feel something from him, so please watch him with warm eyes. And this is my computer spec. This is illustration about section of terrain. Basically, river areas are painted with rock texture, and also where background mountains and terrain is contacting, that part is painted with rock texture. And why I mention this walkable area is, if this area is small, I mean narrow, then it will reduce your work and somehow it can optimize the game easily. But if you're gonna make game like Zelda Breath of Wild, then it's whole another story. I saw this technique is used in Final Fantasy VII Remake and I really liked it. I think if there is no big reason for making very big map, then reducing area is very handy option, I guess. This is small mention about painting leaf texture. I guess painting texture is cheaper than placing prefabs, and when you're changing heights, then you don't need to think about it. And I'm not doing this in my video, but if you wanna make more forestish feeling, then making trees a bit bigger is quite cheap option instead of adding more trees. And this is going to be the workflow. In this part, I'm adding character to debug or just walk around my terrain. Here's I'm adding river oat material. And let's say this is digging river, and I'm using set height. And I'm painting river area with rock texture. This part is lowering river points because it's same height with terrain and it's contacting very badly. And this is background mountains and it's also from R.A.M assets. In this part I'm adding some grass texture and some bumpness to terrain, so it will reduce copy-paste feeling somehow. This is walking around part, and this part is quite important for me, because if you can create good environment only with textures, then it will make future workflow very easy and less loads for GPU. And of course you can find this kind of error. In this part I'm putting trees and rocks and some grass prefab. I'm creating this environment with only 7 prefabs. Maybe after this there could be much more and could continue developing, but for first look it's easier to handle with small variety of choice, at least for me. This is the result. Still feeling a bit empty, but everybody could continue like forever this kind of thing, so I'm stopping here and make this tutorial done. Of course there's could be some bush or making some tree house, or maybe you can think another thing, but okay, thank you very much. And of course you can subscribe or make some thumbs up, it will make me a bit happier. Thank you.